今年美国消费电子店有卖少互生活更较利便的科技，亲像这个机器狗，就当陪失智者，互因的心情更较快活。咱做阵来看。
趴伫桌仔顶的机器狗真好奇，目睭闭金金死个看，甲懵的时阵，佫会摇尾。这款看起来敢若真的叫做 Jenny 的机器狗，是美国加州一个新创业者，为着要照顾失智的老母，去研发一正大心的设计。
After she was diagnosed with Alzheimer's dementia, I had to take away her dog for safety reasons, and she was very unhappy with me. I looked around for substitutes for live animal companions. She didn't like anything that I brought home, and it was at that time I realized there was a very large gap in the market.
史蒂芬斯讲，这款机器狗对人甲懵含声会做出各种反应，特别适合去陪倒伫眠床，也是行动无方便的老人，而且失智也是认知功能有欠损的患者，常常会对某一种物件，亲像是乌蝇鸟啊，也是这种布狗啊、布猫啊，产生想要挖靠伊的情绪。这款机器狗会当帮助消透患者的孤单和糟心。按算伫今年，佫无偌久就会上市。这是用的科技产品，伫今年的 CES 电子消费电顶悬是成真侪人的注意，嘛，互人类的生活是更较丰富精彩。公司新闻站回应编译。